Hello, it's Granville here again at LAM Communications, only this time he's feeling a bit poorly. I've got a cold. Anyway, we've got some more used equipment for our Junksale site. If you'd like to have a look, step this way. Kenwood R2000, FT726R Yaesu. This one does actually have the 6 metre option and the 70 centimetre option. Next along here we have a Kenwood old valve TS520S. So actually in pretty good condition this. And we've got a matching VFO for the same. A bit further on, 757GX Mark 1. Tell that with the manual control switch there instead of the digital switches. 757 AT tuner. A couple of desk mics, few desk mics here. VX7R, and got an FRG7 receiver as well just come in. So fill your boots. See you soon. Bye bye now.